Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. This time around, now about Ibago and Igbo presidency, we go talk about. It get one of our brother from Biafran land, the man named Mr. Okole. And this man have the same view like all of us. We when believe say the governors from the southeastern part of Nigeria, they sabotage themselves, then they sabotage the southeastern part of the country, then they sabotage IPOB, then they sabotage Biafran people in general. This man a professor. The man in this article, the man they claim say Ebube Ago Igbo presidency, say all of them go fail. Remember, say the leaders when they Biafran land, like Ohaneze Ndigbo and these governors, I know say them be cronies. They work together. They are all partners in crime. So then they work together and they always have the same ambition. And their ambitions, they different to the will or to the ambition of the masses all the time, not the same thing. Just exactly the presidency ambition, not be the will of the people. The presidency ambition not be the will of the masses. So their will, they very, very different to people's view. To how they eat Biafran people one time, will when they favor only them when be the elites, or only them when be the governors and the Ohaneze and the Igbo people with their families alone. Okay, not before the masses. Everything what they do now just for their own benefit, just for their own pocket. Okay, so this man get the same feelings when people like us they get about this their Ibubago, because we know say Ibubago na dead on arrival. That day when they pronounce say he get one security outfit when they roll out, now that day Ibubago died. The day when they pronounce this their presidency ambition, now that same day he died. No matter what they want to do or what they go do, they not don't already tell them see. They no go ever give any Biafran person presidency. And again, recently, the Arewa Youth Forum leader, when be Mr. Yarima Shatima, don't tell Biafran people, the Ohaneze Ndigbo people, the governors, anyone when they clamor for one Nigerian presidency of a thing, among the Biafran people, they should go back to tackle the issue of insecurity in Biafran land first, before they will come up to begin and say they want do one thing like presidency or they want one thing like presidency. The Yarima Shatima, after the man yan this yan, the thing come blow my mind. I can't say sure. And they not now there. Insecurity, now there, the whole problem of that country there. Now there, insecurity, take leg, stand, take head, stand, take hand, everywhere, stand, gidigba, for grant. They not solve the problem, and then they rule. But now when the Biafran people, like the Ohaneze Ndigbo criminals and their cronies, say they want presidency, they not turn as they tell them, say when they go solve their own problem first, when they get. Go you see the reason why when it come be say things not balanced at all in Nigeria. You get the people when truly get in Nigeria, what would they talk about? That is this Fulani people. Because our people, when we Biafran people, and the people from the southwestern part of the country, when we Oduduwa people, allow it. So bet. We get some group of organizations, some group of people, some group of agitators. When they agitate, say enough is enough. Those people, they don't already open eye. Long time ago, somebody like Mazen Nandekano and IPOB people, Igboho and his group, the Oduduwa people when they chant for Oduduwa. Now only these political people, when they say APC and PDP, all those people, now them they talk about this one Nigeria of a thing. Remember, say APC people, then they the south, then they west, then they north, then they east, then they everywhere. PDP people, the same. Now these people, this group, these minorities, now them, they clamor for this one Nigeria of a thing. So tell me now how you take balance. Problem they in the north. Now not all the whole problem generated from. And now still there, everything use leg, like I said before, use head, use hand, everywhere stand for ground. They destroy things, they kill people, Boko Haram, Ansaru, Hezmin, name it. ISWAP, ISIS, Al-Qaeda, all of them, they are, including the minister, when be the minister of communication and digital economy. All of them are terrorist people. And see, they also rock, they control things. They're not talk about how they want to solve the problem first, but as soon as they hear say Igbo man or Igbo people or Biafran people, they want, try presidency, then they tell us, oh yeah, we're gonna go solve our problem. Like a boss. Then they control the Biafran people like boss. That's it. So the presidency issue when the Biafran APC and PDP people dead, then the North for now dead on arrival. Just like this Ibubago. Till today, nobody see any one person when they inside Ibubago. Now mouth then taking yan within the yan just to discourage IPOB people. But today now the wind don't blow. Una know now when the wind don't blow, una know the result. What they happen when serious wind blow. So serious wind don't blow. Everybody don't see the true color of these governors. You don't see they don't still lie again. Then they mark them bad for them. Anytime when they lie, they mark them bad for them. People they take note on how they take lie to the indigenous people of Biafra. Nothing when they don't ever promise, when don't stand. Just like the federal government. The same thing. Only mouth that they take the waka. So, this our brother don't come out today. They claim say, Ebubago, Igbo presidency, we fail. Okoli, na be the man name. And again, the Gumi don't come out here for the second time. They claim say Nigeria at war with bandit people. That one also bandit people in no any other than a bandit because you know say they make money. Remember say they kidnapped other group of people in the Kaduna state recently when they can't charge them again 800 million. Just the same 800 million when Gumi charged the FG where they don't pay to Gumi and his cronies before months ago. Now, another group, I don't tell them as if you they pay bandit, you they into problem. Now I say you they encourage them to continue to kidnap people. Another one when they enter one university where they call Greenfield. In Kaduna State. Now this thing happen. Those people they don't charge, the bandit people don't charge government people again under 800 million. RFI say no go pay one dime to anybody when they kidnap people. Anybody when they kidnap. Now your luck without saying they kidnap you. Now that one be RFI answer. So now we go take a look on this Ebubago issue. Remember, say another former DSS officer don't come out. They tell Nigerian government, so now get problem. 2023 say he not see 2023 come to pass. Because every one of them, when they clamor for 2023, all of them don't fail. Because they know the danger waiting for them in 2023. They know say Nigerian people, all of them don't tear eye. They know say Nigerian young men, they not agree again. They know say they are wayo. So 2023 will be a very, very, the election period will be a very, very bad period for Nigerian people. Because a lot of people don't come and even that DSS officer don't come and tell Nigerian government, say, man, look, una got to put this in place now. Una got to tackle this insecurity matter. Now, the thing don't go to the southeastern part of the country. If we are going to when they say, okay, they won't come fight for the Biafran people, no problem. Nobody say Bubago, now only mouth. Now, they don't roll out the security outfit again. Then we don't want ESM people to operate. Make you see how bad these governors, they sabotage their people. And all now the northern people, they give them money to sabotage their people. They stab their people from the back. 247. Okay? So, una not allow IPOBESN to operate. Una not rule out on our Ibago. This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. So, this man now, they tell them, say, they don't follow. Ibago no go walk because they not carry people along, according to the man. And the owner presidency now dead on arrival. So make una know now message when this man they send to the people from Biafra when we want one Nigeria, and when they talk about it will be a faceless security outfit. Okay, no wonder when Mazi tell them say we're gonna ghost, because when he roll out his own security outfit, when be the ESN, everybody see ESN that very first day. And they don't hide them. Now the governors, they failed. So the man also claims, say, the governors and they sabotage themselves. Say, you they sabotage yourself. How you want to take work? How you want to do things when you work? Make we take a look. May not be like, say, now funky D, just the nyam the matter like that. Make we read. Make we not hear now. Ebubeago Igbo presidency will fail. Okole. Now the man na the nyam. Holding a different view, the National President of Nigerian Political Science Association, NPSA, Professor Alu Yusuf Michael Okole, argued that the Ebubeago security outfit being proposed by the governors of the southeastern region will fail, just like the ambition of the Igbos to produce Nigerian president in 2023. Professor Okole, who is also the Dean, Faculty of Social Science, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, UNN, explained that the governors failed to carry intelligentsia, opinion leaders, legal luminaries, and major stakeholders among in setting up the proposed security outfit. Why saying that the 2023 ambition of the Igbos to produce a Nigerian president will not be realizable, just like the Ebubeago security outfit, he alleged that the governors of the Southeast were sabotaging themselves for political gains and cannot work out any meaningful projects together. I don't hear them now, so the man talk. I don't hear what the man talk now. They cannot work out any meaningful projects together because they're not they use one heart, no unity, nothing. Then after one of them go come out like opposite of them begin talk saying want united Nigeria. Now come tell and say you want united Nigeria, you owe power there. Why you they come the tell people say I want united Nigeria, I want united Nigeria? Why you not fit to unite Nigeria? You are a political leader, a governor for that matter. Even your state problem there, you cannot even unite. You cannot even unite Imo state people alone. You they talk about uniting Nigeria. When are you going to do that? Why are you coming out to give us, to tell us that you want to unite Nigeria, and you are not doing it? Now, mad they take do unite people. Now, mouth. So, if you want unity, you have to work hard. You have to work hard to unite people. If that unity where you want, you have to work hard for that unity to come. Not be mad. You want to take unite people. You want unite people. You they carry army. They kill people in Olu. They kill your own people. You they call Boko Haram to come sit down in Olu, to come sit down in Biafran land. And you tell Hesme when they kill your people, then go stay there, see nothing will happen. May they act like landlord, may they act like tenants. See now then get Biafran land. Now the thing when who pose on the man, they tell Hesme people. And this man, when he claims say he want united Nigeria, he want unity. Now by inviting terrorist people to kill his own citizens. Now him be the unity when opposed them they preach for. Now him be the unity where they talk about. And even the federal government, the same thing. So ladies and gentlemen, when I don't hear waiting this man yan, that they talk saying get a different opinion. And I saw it be. Igbo presidency will not come. Never, never. That one amount. Even 2023 will not come. That one amount when the APC and PDP just they use to the wangle up and down because they don't know where to put head again. Because they failed. They failed completely. So the problem there is that unity, if you want unity, you have to work hard to end that unity. Not be mouth. You want to unite people. Ebubago don't fail. I don't tell you. Ebubago, the indigenous people of Biafra, they don't let everybody know say this Ebubago na ghost security outfit. So ladies and gentlemen, love us, like us. If you get anything you want to tell us, come to our comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Bye everybody and happy weekend.